Hi, my name is Brian. Today we're going to go over the programming on the 2700 SC Industrial Direct Drive Sewing Machine. So we're going to start by turning the machine on. You can see the LED screen light up. So to set the speed of the machine is plus or minus. Plus increases the speed, minus decreases the speed. S will set the speed in. For needle position, as you can see here with the P button, there's a needle up, needle down. So you're going to push the button until the light lights up with the needle up or needle down indicator. And as you can see now, this stops needle up, this stops needle down when you're sewing. So our first feature is a direct drive motor. No belt, so it reduces the noise in the room when you're sewing because there's no belt noise. Also, the direct drive is a much smoother sewing experience. So now we're going to come down to the reverse lever. So this will reverse the stitch at the beginning and the end of your sewing. Now this will adjust the stitch length of the reverse. So we're moving up here to our zigzag adjustments. We have two adjustments. One of them will adjust the width of the zigzag. And by loosening this screw and by moving this lever, we're actually positioning the needle in the foot. So we can move up to the top of the machine now with the automatic bobbin winder. So as you're sewing, you can wind a bobbin. So you don't have to stop sewing to wind a bobbin as in a domestic machine. It automatically winds it as you're sewing. The machine also comes with a thread nipper for the bobbin winder thread. So as you're finished winding your bobbin, you take your thread underneath the thread nipper, pull back, and it will cut it and secure the thread. So because the machine is an automatic oiler, you have an oil sight glass on the top. As you're sewing, you will see the oil splashing up. What we also have on the top of the machine is an adjustment for the pressure on the foot. And as we move down, you can see the machine comes with a rotary tension assembly for the needle thread. This gives a much equal, even tension on the thread as you're sewing for a much smoother stitch. And also what we have in here is our rotary take-up. Most conventional take-ups just move up and down. This is a rotary take-up, so it's a constant, even pressure on the thread. And again, it's a much more flat, even stitch. The machine also comes with a knee lever for lifting the foot. In addition to the knee lever that lifts the foot, there's also a lever in the back of the machine that lifts the foot up and brings it down. The 2700 SZ Direct Drive Industrial Sewing Machine is equipped with a pump system to allow it to run at a high speed. So you also have an oil pan on the bottom with a high-low mark. Fill the oil in the pan until it is between the high and the low mark. Bring the head back down and you're ready to go.